Stop it! Stop it! Yes, sir.
Driver's license, proof of insurance.
What'd I do?
I'll get your driver's license and I'll explain it to you.
I'm working on it. No, what'd I do first? Why you pull me over?
Let me get your driver's license and
No, what do you pull me over for? Tell me that first.
Sir, let me explain something to you.
And what's your, I know the law. No, you have to tell me why you pull me over.
I don't have to tell you
Bullshit.
why. Let's do it.
I have driver's
I have
license.
to identify you first.
No, you don't. You have my tag number right there. Are you J Troop or K Troop? Who are you?
Proof of insurance.
No, what did you pull me over for first?
Sir, you can be difficult.
I do a what? I'm not trying to be difficult. I'm just telling you. I'm not. And you're also. Anyway, I'm just asking, why did you pull me over first? I did one wide open throttle. I'm a diagnostic mechanic. And you also pulled my son over, the same thing too, Caleb Miller. You saw me at Rose's one time with an open carry weapon. I'm just asking, and I know Jamie Atkins and all the bunch, whatever, but why did you pull me over? Why? Need to do that first. No, you have my tag number. You can run it and get my name.
Just because it's tag number doesn't mean it comes back to the driver's vehicle.
It does show the insurance though on the thumb.
That's correct.
No, but tell me why. You have to tell me why you pull me over. You haven't identified yourself yet. I see a uniform. I see a vehicle. Okay. Why did you pull me over? I did a wide open throttle, real quick. I'm a diagnostic mechanic. I'm working on a truck, and I'm heading toward a guy's house to help me with it in Columbia.
Let me explain something.
I am listening. No, you don't have to explain. That's a cop's plane. No.
I need to identify who I'm speaking with. I'll explain to you why.
I am Robert B. Henschling. My birthday is 6/22/62. I own this truck, and I have registration and everything. You don't have to know that. Tell me why you pulled me over. I know who you are. And I know you know Jamie Atkins, R37, okay? I'm not naming names, but you have to tell me, who you are. Identify yourself. You do. I own this truck. You can run my tag number. Brand new tag, brand new license. Tell me why. There's my proof of insurance. It has my name on it right there. I don't have to hand me this to you. All I have to do is just show you. I'm not trying to be difficult. I'm asserting my right. No, I'm a nice guy. I'm a really nice guy.
Am I not being?
You are, but I don't have to. I don't have to do that. No. Tell me why you pulled me over. Tell me.
You need to step out of the vehicle.
No. In fact, I'm gonna lock my doors and run wind up a little bit too. I just need to ask. I'm going to a friend's house in Columbia right now. I did one wide open throttle on my truck. I just took it 1,200 mile round trip. Jamie knows that. I sent him all the information, whatever. I did one wide open throttle. I was not reckless driving. I did one wide open throttle on the truck. I let off. I saw you way back there, sitting back there. I have you on video right there.
That's fine. You're being on video on my video.
That's fine. That's really cool. I appreciate that. I really do.
You want to step out of your truck?
No, I'm not stepping out.
You want to step out of your truck, man?
No.
There's no reason to be difficult, man.
There's no reason to step out either. There's no reason
either.
either.
I'm going to give you a couple options. Okay?
No.
You can either get out of the vehicle or give me a license.
I can give you my license, but I'm not stepping out of the vehicle.
Give me a license.
No. It's very dangerous for me to be out, stepping out, in this situation. You don't know me. I don't know you. No.
Listen to me. Get out of the truck.
No.
Get out
There's
of the truck.
my license
Get
right
out
there.
of the truck. You're being disorderly.
No.
You're a lawful command. Get out of the
There's my
vehicle.
license. It's not a lawful command. No.
Get out of the vehicle.
No. There's no reason for this.
Quit reaching under the seat. You leave that license.
My gun's over there. There's no reason for this. Here's my brand new license. Jamie just got me this license. Do not do that. No.
Get out of the car. Get out of the truck. Get out of the truck right now.
There's no reason. You did this to my son.
Get out of the truck.
No. There's no reason.
You're under arrest for disorderly conduct.
I didn't do anything.
Failure to obey a lawful command. Get out of the truck.
There's my
Get out of the
license
truck.
right there. No. Stop it.
Get out of the truck.
Stop it.
Get out of the truck. Get out of the
You can
truck.
call Jamie Atkins right now.
Get out of the truck.
I have my license on. I have my seatbelt on. I didn't do anything wrong.
Get out of the truck.
No. You call R37 right now.
Get out of the vehicle.
No.
Get out of the truck.
No. Stop it. There's no reason for this bullshit now.
I tried to tell you that. You smell like you've been drinking.
No, I'm not
Get out of the truck.
No.
Get out of the truck. I'm gonna
No.
tase you. You understand? Get out of the vehicle.
No. Tase me if you want to.
Get out
Tase
of the
me.
vehicle. Get out of the vehicle.
Tase me. Tase me. That shit don't bother me. You understand? Stop
Get
it.
out of the truck.
Stop it.
Get out of the truck.
Stop it. Look, stop it.
Quit reaching. Quit reaching.
I'm not
Quit reaching. Quit
My
trying to put
gun
your
is over
goddamn.
there. Stop it. Stop it. Stop this. De-escalate.
Haysburg.
You hear me?
Haysburg, give me some assistance here. I need assistance on traffic stop.
Stop it. I haven't done anything wrong.
Stop moving.
I ain't done anything.
Haysburg, I need some assistance. Highway 98, westbound.
I haven't done anything.
You got a subject not want to exit the vehicle.
Stop it.
Get out of the truck
Okay?
now.
You saw me.
Get out of the truck.
You saw me. You saw me at Rose.
Get out of the truck.
You saw me at Rose's barbecue one
I don't
time.
care.
I'm not a violent person.
Well, you're
you are being violent.
Get out of the truck.
No. No.
Get out of the truck.
No.
Get out of the truck. Get out of the truck. Get out.
Let me go.
Get out.
Let me
Get
go.
out. Step out of the truck. I'm here to help. Put your hand behind your back. Put your hand, boy. Come on, I'll kick your ass. Put your hands behind your back. We have to shoot this motherfucker. All right, I got one. Come on, fat boy. Does he got a gun? Does he got a gun? Okay. I got one on. Oh, I got one.
Let me go. I can't breathe.
Well, you got the
I can't breathe.
I will let you up.
I can't breathe. Let me out. I can't breathe. Let me out. Let me out, please. Let me out. I can't breathe. I have asthma. I have asthma. I can't breathe.
You're talking, you're breathing.
I can't breathe. Let me out. I can't breathe, please.
All right, just a minute.
Let me out.
You got no circles. So there we go. One more.
Let me out.
All right.
Let me out.
All right.
Let me out.
All right, you're going to be all right.
No, I'm not.
There you are.
Let me out. I can't breathe. Let me out.
Hold your feet. Good.
Let me out.
Roll up. Stand up.
I can't breathe.
You're breathing, you're talking.
Quit pushing on me.
Stand up.
I'm not resisting.
Stand up.
You never told me I was under arrest.
Yeah, dude, I understood you're under arrest for disorderly conduct. Stand up.
Disorderly conduct?
Stand up.
You were the one that's disorderly. Son of a bitch.
21 has, bro. We got him in custody.
Good?
Yes, sir.
I can't breathe. Quit pushing on me.
What did you throw in the back? Here, bro. Oh, okay. There.
Goddamn pepper, motherfucker.
Told you what I need. One way.
Call. Right now. Right now. Or just right now. I am no threat to you, you motherfucker. I am no
let go.
Let go of what?
Let go of my handcuffs.
Motherfucker.
Go get another set of handcuffs.
I can't breathe. Quit pushing on me. I ain't a threat to you.
21.
Call Jamie Atkins right now.
Go ahead.
His number's in my phone.
Lamar County's in route with the change just in case you need independence for.
Yeah, simple. We'll get whoever's acting supervisor need to come out here.
That's supervisor right now.
Sure. Head over J14.
Oh my goddamn teeth!
It's on the spotlight.
You never tell me what I've been pulled over for.
Now they got your license. You're pulled over for 84 and a 65.
I'm headed for J14.
Go ahead, Asbury.
J21 needs you at this location, Highway 98, just west of North Black Creek Road.
I did it right up in front of your cuss for killing me
Careful.
because they ain't big enough.
Yeah, well, that's why I'm about to go double on it.
They ain't
Just
big
calm down.
enough. Stop! Quit!
He's gonna help you, man. Just
I
relax.
will not resist arrest, but I will resist pain.
We're gonna help you.
You hear me?
He's gonna help you. Just calm
That's all right.
calm.
Call Jamie Atkins right now.
All right.
Our supervisor, get out there right now. Stay true.
He's gonna help.
R37. Get out there.
Oh, man.
I'm trying to. I was going over you. Oh, fuck you. I was trying to ask you, why did I get pulled over? You went to.
Just in case it does tell you that. So
I
it
can
went
give you
two
different
ways.
business.
You went the hard way.
My damn tag's legal right there. Legal. Everything's fucking legal. Asshole. No shit. What y'all do was I am no threat to you. No threat. You call Jamie Atkins. I know you know him. R37. Call him right now. J Crew. This is bullshit. Ow! God damn it! Get down. Get your freaking leg thing on it. I'm no threat to you. Ah.
I'm gonna help a little bit. I can help you, sir.
No, he's not. He's an asshole. He did not tell me why I was being pulled over. He has to tell that to me.
Well, he would have.
Why? No,
You got your license, well, if you got a ticket,
he
you've
would
been on your way.
not. No refusal to identify. That's a secondary offense in Mississippi. You hear me?
Yeah, we'll see.
Bullshit. I know the law.
Let me ask you this, sir. Are you a felon? Are you a convicted
No, I'm
felon?
not a
You
felon.
ever been to prison?
No, I've never been. I got arrested for malicious misconduct.
Okay. Everything's gonna be all right.
Oh,
Let's stand over here though, where we don't.
Right.
Let's stand
Go
over.
Stand it.
Come on,
Quit
here.
pushing me. I'll go on.
Go ahead.
Quit
Come
pushing
on.
me.
Come on. Walk over here, please, sir.
Walk
We're
over
gonna
here
get
and
your keys. You
Where's
don't
my
sit on the
goddamn
belt?
keys?
We'll get your keys.
My gun? No,
I'll
you
see him on the
don't.
bumper.
You don't
See him
give
on
a
the bumper.
fuck. You don't give a goddamn